Morning everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you so much for joining me today. I apologize if you can hear my husband with his saw outside. He is trimming cabinet doors so that they fit back on properly. We took them off to paint and then we couldn't get them back on the right way. So anyway, I am officially done with this one signature, really wide mouth journal, and I'll be doing a flip through soon. I just have to get one more picture printed out, and I did end up putting a tie on it because it's so big. I've been waiting. My photo paper got lost in the mail, and I'm so distressed about it because I have a picture of my grandson on his birthday that I want to put in here, and then I'm done. Anyway, I'm going to be moving into this one, and I bought this beautiful contact paper to line my kitchen drawers and maybe some of the shelves. I'll have to buy some more for that though. And I thought I would document it in my new journal. You may remember this from my other journal. I made a giant journaling card out of it, but I think I'm just going to put it right here and just cover my, or I could put it in the back. Maybe I'll put it in the back because I kind of like this better than this. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now, actually. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down over my back. And after that, I'm just going to document my my contact paper. And also I got some new Skechers hands-free slip-ons. You might see the tag over there in the corner. They're my second pair. My first pair are like light lavender sneakers, and they don't go with everything, and I love them so much. I wanted another pair, but I wanted like a black pair or a brown pair that don't look so much like sneakers. So I got kind of like loafers, and I will put a picture of them in when I get it, my film. But anyway, I'm not covering this up. I'll probably just put a label on there. And I'm going to go to this page. Oh, this was from McDonald's. I forgot about that. I guess I'm skipping a couple pages because I don't want to cover up the pretty paper with contact paper. So I think I'm going to just put this like this, and just a sample of the wall of the paper here. And then I'm going to put my Skechers tags up here. And they're also machine washable, which is great. And then when I get the picture of my shoes, I guess I'll just put them on there. So I think the first thing that I am gonna do is put some tape on here. Actually, I should just measure it first. Okay, so I can cut right off there and glue that down. Or no, I was going to tape it down. Alright, let's do that. I hope you're all doing well. We finally are getting spring weather again. We had it for a few days and then it turned into winter again. And I have so many plants that I need to plant outside. I think I have over 100. I know I have over 100. Zinnias, sunflowers. I even started corn in the house, watermelon, and pumpkins. And I don't know what else. Maybe that's it. And I'm going to put spinach, peas, and arugula right into the ground as soon as it's the right time. Where we live, the last frost could be like the end of May, but usually it's not that late, so I think we can put some things in earlier. And hopefully they'll be okay. Alright, so this is going to go here. Let's get that on straight as possible. There we go. And I don't need a lot of this. I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. So it's so pretty. It just makes my drawers look so gorgeous when you open them. And I decluttered, which was nice. I guess we'll go like this. And it just looks pretty because, you know, we painted the insides of fresh white. My cabinets are very old. Fresh white paint and then this on the bottoms, and they just look so pretty. I think I want to make this straighter. Let's see if I can do it with my trimmer. This is my straight side, so let's just cut this down a bit. And we'll cut this side down this way. Okay, and then this side. I guess I can do it like this. Alright, that's pretty good. A pretty good rectangle, I think. It's good enough. Yeah, it's... I'm not a super big fan of Pioneer Woman's overly floral everything. Oh look, I didn't even notice. That's what my drawers look like. To be honest, I wouldn't like buy her cookware or anything like that. But I really did think this was pretty, and like some of her kitchen towels and things like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to poke a hole up here. And where is my poker? Here it is. And I'm going to get a brad. And we'll put this on there. And I think we'll call it done. Right, so I got this big white button brad holding my tags on there. And then when I get the photo of my shoes, I'll just put it right here. I'm going to make it pretty small because I don't want to cover that up. And then eventually I'll figure out how to disguise this. So I think that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.